today is a different video. It's the first of a series of my favorite bike path in Rio de Janeiro. And the first one is one, well, most of them you know already, but this one's so cool. And we're gonna start with the bike path that starts here in Barra da Tijuca and crosses to São Conrado. Oh, if you haven't been to Rio de Janeiro, let me give you a tip. To find this bike path, yeah, it's kind of hidden, but I love it. You have to come over here. That's the quebra-mar. I'll put the translation in the bottom. It's in the beginning of Barra da Tijuca. Barra da Tijuca, it's this big, long beach. And all the way there starts Recreio. Oh, that's a hard one in English. In Portuguese, Recreio dos Bandeirantes. But in English, it's Recreio. Okay. Then you come here, you go here, and go inside, and that's where the magic begins. Let's go. This bike path ain't in plain sight. You have to come here, go over this hotel. Oh, you can stop here and take pictures. I love Rio. And follow the bike trail. It's beautiful. I love when the plants are big like this. They cut it after it gets too big. But this part here, check it out. And it's completely free of cars. So there's no problem at all. Check it out. Wow, so cool. Up here, look towards your left side, and there it is. That's Pedra da Gávea. It's beautiful. If you want to go up there, it's a great climb, but there's a smaller climb right next to it called Pedra Bonita. It's beautiful, short, it's like an hour, and almost the same view. For you to know, what they done here is they cut a little part of the road, see, and gave to us, the cyclists. Thank you. I love it. Part is magnificent. When we come back, the sun will be out because we just had a sunrise. It's not up yet, and you're gonna see it's so beautiful to climb. But we have adventures, right? Because we go under 2 tunnels. This is the highest climb. You have to do some effort. Not much, but it's like 7%. Okay, first tunnel. I like to go under tunnels. So in the tunnels, I don't know how to say it. Under the rock, in the tunnel. Let's do it. Okay, now we're going to pass by my favorite spot. We crossed the first tunnel. Have to go slowly because I'm filming. And suddenly, check it out. This view is magnificent. It's amazing. And our path is over here. So after you pass this tunnel, it's the first one, we have two, we get here. Yes, I love this place. Sometimes, like today, I just come here just to cross it and come back. And that's it. It's so beautiful. Let me show you. Okay, this place here, it calls Viaduto do Joá. This is the old one. We are at the old one, okay? Both floors. We used to go that way and come back this way. Then they made this new one a couple years ago, and when they made the new one, they placed this bike path, and it was so cool. And what they do now is this middle one sometimes goes that way, and some other hours come this way, and it helped a lot. Helped a lot on the traffic. It was very hard, the traffic jam. It was very terrible, and now it's a lot better. So now we have a bike path and better traffic. So cool. Let's move on. It's not crowded. It's not a bike path that's crowded because not many people knows about it, and so it's great. From here you can see Morro dos Dois Irmãos. Over there is Niterói, all the way over there. And here are the little islands, Palmas, Cagarras. And here it's, it's hard to turn around. It's a very nice club that's on the rocks. So good. A lot of runners use this path also. And one thing that I love about it is that this new mayor, they fixed all the guardrails, all brand new guardrails. So I wish they repainted, but it's perfect. It's very nice. And check the colors. I love the colors, you know, the blue, the green, the kind of red. So neat. Yes, I like it. It's one of my favorite ones. And because it's so close to my house, I come here a lot. The thing that I love they put this white paint here in the tunnel. You see here? This used to be graffiti. So every time that a graffiti shows in here, like this spot here, see, there's a graffiti, right? On Monday, they are gone. You know, they I don't know what kind of paint is it. It's just a paint that gets clean right away. Because if it wasn't, it was all graffiti. I like when it's a painting or when it's really art, but you know, just write your name on it. And this is the magnificent view after you get out of the tunnel. This is São Conrado beach. It's a very small beach and it's a beautiful one. I know. It's just for you to enjoy a little bit of Rio, you know, because a lot of people ask me and comments that, you know, Rio is beautiful, and it is. It's so many beautiful beaches and beautiful mountains. Oh, I love it. It's so cool. I wish it wasn't such a big city. I wish it didn't have that many people, you know. I wish I had a little bit less people here. It would be a lot better. Oh, here in São Conrado, we have so many things to do. There's surfing, hang gliders, parachute. You can walk your dog. It's a lot to do. It's a short ride, but it's beautiful. The guardrails are brand new, so everything is perfect, and it's so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. Ride on this bike path. If you are in São Conrado, go next to the hang glider arrival where they land, you know, the landing, and start in the bike path that you're gonna cross all the way to Barra da Tijuca. It's worth it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. When you come to Rio, do it. It's marvelous. You can park here in São Conrado, or you can park in Barra da Tijuca, or you do one thing. You can get the metro, the subway, the tube, get out at Barra da Tijuca, and then ride all the way up here to São Conrado and get in the metro. Also, there's a metro station here and one in Barra da Tijuca. So if you are in another borough and you don't have a car, you can get a metro and in and out. Nice. Enjoy it. Bye-bye. See you next time. Yes, I miss this place. I love it. Now let me show you one of the most beautiful paths. So, if you want to do this beautiful ride, I do recommend. It's magnificent. And I love this view here. Check it out. Oh, that's cool. Well, just in time for the Hawaiian canoes to go out, see, and start their ride. So good. So this is one of my favorite rides. Yes, maybe because it's so close to home, you know, and this magnificent view, and all the guardrails was, you know, fixed. And I like things that are being well treated. So if you come to Rio, do this ride. It's a beautiful bike ride. You will enjoy it. And the beginning and the end is fantastic because you can see Barra da Tijuca and then you can go around São Conrado. It's marvelous. Just hop off the metro ride. I think it's 3 kilometers for the beginning of the ride. Nice one. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'll be doing my 5 favorite rides. Short rides, but favorite rides. Bye bye.